And student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss chapter number 2, People as Resource. Student, this lecture number is 5 and now start word is topic my unemployment. What is unemployment, student? Unemployment problem is one of the most serious problem facing the developed as well as developing country of the world. Okay, unemployment many definition, but one definition I say share कि unemployment denote a situation when a person is not gainfully employed in a productive activity and thereby does not work. Okay, unemployment is a situation when there are some able-bodied person who are willing to work at the prevailing wage rate but are not able to find work which may yield them some regular income. Unemployment exists when people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find the job. Now the workforce include all people from the age of 15 years and 59 years. Children can children and elder people 60 years over are not included in workforce are not be considered as unemployment. Okay, now see the case of India, there are two parts divided, seasonal and disuse. Now see, so first of all, in case of India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. However, the nature of unemployment different in rural areas. In case of rural areas, there is seasonal and disuse unemployment, and urban areas have mostly educated unemployment. Now see, types of unemployment. First, seasonal unemployment, seasonal, and second disuse, and third is educated unemployment. Now first of all discuss the seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment refer to a situation when people get work during some days. When people get work during some days or months of the year. Okay student, now my words repeated student, कि seasonal unemployment refer to a situation when people get work during some days or months of the year but not regularly throughout the year, and therefore they are unemployed during the some part of the year. It is called seasonal because it occurred during certain season of the year. Like one example share student, कि seasonal unemployment occur in certain industries as well, like agro based industry face this type of problem. For example, a sugar mill may be closed for a number of months in a year as the supply of sugar cane stop. Similarly, in certain industries such as ice cream industry also, yes, example ice cream industry, the seasonal unemployment result from a seasonal fluctuation in demand. Ice cream has a peak demand during the summer season, yes. So however, in winter season the demand for ice cream fall. This lead to fall in demand for labor engaged in ice cream production, to giving rise to the seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment is particularly important in India. कि the reason obviously कि agriculture is the predominant occupation in India, and it is agricultural sector which is mainly affected by the seasonal variation in the demand for agricultural labor, which is very large because of use of labor intensive method of production. Example, say I am already agriculture, it means कि people dependent upon the agriculture section. So just like the seasonal unemployment example and definition. Okay, now disuse unemployment when all the people appear to be employed but the work require less number of person, and the unemployment is disuse. Again my words repeated student, कि disuse unemployment refer the situation कि when a person is apparently employed but in fact is unemployed. Here unemployment is not open for everyone to see. We cannot say who is unemployed. The unemployment is not visible but are concealed or hidden. It is not possible to identify ki as to who is unemployment, as everyone seem to be employed. This type of unemployment prevail mostly in villages. Like in agriculture, employment take the form of work sharing, given work share among a larger number of workers than required. So like one example for share, कि a small farmer entire family is working on his plot, although all may not be required to do so. Okay. Now next example for in urban areas, it is used unemployment ki in urban areas there are many people who are employed, their job do not suit their qualification, and disuse unemployment can be seen in the services. Okay, disused unemployment can be seen in this services sector, where like painters, repair person, plumber, etc. are doing odd jobs. Many of them do not find work on daily basis. Taking an example, one student share कि there firstly कि shop which require only 2% for handling it, but if there are 3 servants and one owner to look after the shop, and then they show that 2 servants are in the situation of disguised unemployment. Okay, again my words example repeated कि shop which require only 2% for handling it, but if there are 3 servants and one owner to look after the shop, and then this show that कि 2 servants are in the situation of disguised unemployment. So in this type of unemployment is generally found in unorganized sector, where either the work is constantly not available or more than required people are employed for a work. Okay, now next, educated unemployment. What is educated unemployment? Student educated in urban areas, many young people with matriculations completed and graduation completed, most post graduation degrees also completed, are not able to find the job. Okay, are not able to find job, and this situation lead to educated unemployment. Okay, this situation